Today, Frost&Sullivan and Hitachi have partnered together in what I think is a landmark event to bring a world-class system integrator, a world-class ICT company looking to drive the future in terms of social innovation in one of the most exciting cities in the world. It was not by chance that we chose Istanbul. Istanbul is where East meets West, and it is one of the most dynamic urban environments in the world. And Hitachi has produced a host of solutions and services around the city as a customer that are literally perfect for a landmark city, really a role model city, we believe, for the future, for deploying what the city of the future can be like, and Istanbul is the perfect place for that.
Turkey is extremely important for Hitachi, and we came here to this absolutely magnificent venue to organize this social innovation event together with Frost&Sullivan. The idea was to really explain and to make relevant and concrete to the audience here what social innovation, what this means for our future.
So, thinking about all the industries coming here together, my question is, what is the shift, what is the new thing about social innovation? And what I think is, we have been talking about green in the past, we've been talking about smart cities, but what is the difference? Where are we going? Why we are looking at social innovation? What does social mean?
Since today's event is around the theme of social innovation, I want to begin with this slide. This is a core thesis slide that tells us at the outset of our day that we all need to think about innovation differently.
Megatrends definitely will decide our future. If you see what all happens in this world, that we have every day in newspapers new inventions that will revolutionize our life.
The first of our panel discussions, as you can see from the title slide, is going to be looking at water. I think it's pretty hard to think of a better area that represents opportunities for social innovation than water.
Water recycling systems being operated in Istanbul. Hilton Hotel Istanbul has 13 acres of garden, which is now irrigated by recycled water produced in the hotel.
LEED is one of the international certification systems where you can rate a green school, how green it is. And as you can see, water efficiency is one of the important parameters of green schools.
I'm over here. I came from Ankara, and I have been working as the representative of Hitachi Medical in Turkey since 1982. Of course, I know Hitachi. It's one of the biggest companies in the world, and they have very nice innovations and also friendly environment applications. And in last years, Hitachi has decided to have an office in Turkey and to explain what they are doing to Europe and also to Turkey more than it was before. So I'm very happy, and it's one of the first meetings over here has been held, and it's very good because they have been putting finger on very serious subjects, and we are very happy to learn that Hitachi is already advanced in technology and also in application of those friendly environmental applications in the world.
So for our next panel, we are looking at smart infrastructure. In 29 years of professional life, it's one of the rare occasions to talk about truly a $1 trillion opportunity, and that's what smart cities represent.
We started in Japan doing all these things. Hitachi is very, very deeply involved in many, many smart initiatives and smart projects in Japan. We started to globalize that. We saw two examples from the UK, which is a little bit our bridgehead into Europe, but we started to do projects and actual business in many other locations around the world.
We calculated around 150 million potential machines can be connected in order to build smarter cities.
Due to the economic and environmental developments in the energy sector in the world, which have triggered actually fundamental changes in this sector and have created also new needs with them. Smart grids, in parallel, have become one of the highest priorities in this sector.
So we've rallied together not just the megatrend content that Frost & Sullivan has produced that talks about how to drive innovation, what the next will look like, and we've looked at our megatrends. We've looked at smart water infrastructures. We've looked at smart cities. We've looked at smart energy and how that gets deployed not only at a citywide level, but then down to individual schools. And ultimately, really what we're doing is we're looking at innovation within companies, innovation within the government at a national level, innovation within city governments, and innovation all the way down to our individual home and personal lives. And so today's event has been tremendously exciting. We believe it's a harbinger of the future, and that this type of event, bringing system integrators together, bringing network service providers together, bringing city and municipal government officials together, this is how we will innovate to the future. And it's all about social innovation, innovation that impacts us down to our personal lives.